Hello my friend, today I'm going to describe you how to make a commercial video ads, how you make a commercial video ad with the help of a software Filmora. So there is one software which is name is Filmora. So first of all you have any video in which you have to make some kind of text. If you have to make some kind of text, you see here. So first of all import the video here and then click over there in a text button. After this text button you can delete this one, and now you can insert the text from here. Yes, now after inserting a text, now you can make the text title over here. On a video you can make a text title, whatever the title you want. For example, you want name of a mart, so you can put the name of a mart here. Put the name of a mart here. You can change the color. You can change the color of the mart over here. You can change the size and you can make the background. You can make the blur effect here. Now you can make the blur effect here. Afterward you see here you can make the blur effect here. Now you can also make a title here in big font. In a big font there are so many changes you can do from here. You see this one and you can do so many changes. Here is a motion effect also. So drop shadow effect also of the text, so you can make the text on the screen very easily. So subscribe my channel. I will give you a platform how to make a commercial video ads with different software like Filmora, Adobe After Effects, Adobe Illustrator, and different software I teach. Subscribe my channel first, press the bell icon and share to your friend. Yes, write a name of any mart or any product over here and make the color of it. You see here the color. You can make the color of it here, and you can make also the shadow. If you want to shadow over here, you can make the shadow. Yes, see here, this is the shadow, and so many color shadow you can make. And you can also resize the text color over here. You can make any resizement of the text over here very easily. You can make the resizement of the text. Yes, put in anywhere. If you want to put it anywhere, wherever you want to put it anywhere. On this one, put it anywhere, name, and you just click on the animation button here. You see, this is the, yes, this is the part where is the text. You can also greater than the size, you can also less it. Click it advanced button, you go in the advanced button over here. Yes, when you click here, go in the advanced button. You see here, this is a part. You see, this is the part over here. You can see this is the part, and you can click an advanced button. Now after that one button you can go in the property very easily. Yes, you can go in its text property very easily. Now there you can put the motion effects. There are so many effects on Filmora 9. You can download Filmora 9 very easily with any websites you can download, or you can purchase it very easily. It's very helpful because I am designing my commercial video ads with Filmora very nicely. Now you see here, this is an advanced button. This is advanced button, and it is depend upon your PC. It is depend upon your laptop PC. You must have a graphic card. You must have higher than 4 GB RAM and very high kind of processor you have. So making a video commercial ads. Yes, and there are so many effects over here. Click on OK button. Now you can resize them. If you want a big part on the movie, you can resize them. Over here the text, you just see how much our movie. This is a pointer. This is the pointer is moving. Now just play button. You see this is a very text, very effectful text over here. Now you can also copy paste this one. You can also resize. You can also minimize the size. Just play it and see how's your text. Yo, very nice. This is the mart name over here. This is very nice. You can copy paste it also. Yes, you can do copy paste also. This one very easily. Yes, here click, right click and press Ctrl C, and then click over here and then press Ctrl V. For example, I write here the chocolate's name. This is the chocolate's name. So just click on advanced. I save my time. Yes, save my time. Just click advanced right here, any kind chocolates or yes, click in the advanced button, you can resize it, and you can also change the motion effects. There are a lot of motion effects in this Filmora. You see there are a lot of motion effects. Yes, see this one, let's click here on the motion. There are a lot of motion effects which is very helpful in designing ads. Yes, this one, oh very nice, but I don't choose this one, I choose this one. Yes, it's very nice effect, and then click on OK. When I make this video, it's very helpful. This video is converting into HD. It's become very helpful. Yes, it's very nice. It's you see there is a video chocolate, and the ad is coming on this one. It's very nice. Yes, I click OK button and the play. Oh, this one very nice, like this chocolate, and this is animation. For example, this boy is standing, and suppose I write any other things, ice cream. Suppose I write ice cream over here. I put my pointer on the back side. This is a timeline pointer, you know, this is a timeline pointer. And please subscribe my channel because I work for you. So subscribe my channel and share my channel and press the bell icon if you want to learn commercial video, how to make a commercial video for Facebook's advertisement. Yes, click here on the advanced button and write ice cream. You can make the size of ice cream very large. You can change the color. You can change the color white. Suppose I choose the white color here of the ice cream, so I can choose the white color of the ice cream over here, and I can resize it. I can resize it in whatever the size I want. I can resize it. I can change the color of it. Yes, this one you see here, this one. Yes, this one is when I select this one, then I can resize whatever I want or write myself ice cream. Then I put the animation effect. Yes, see animation, and come over here and press this button, text. Oh, very nice effect. Yes, you see this is okay. Now I can put the music, whatever the audio I can put over here. In the downside you see the green button, this is the music button, and this is very easy. This is very easy. Now you can put here the whatever you want. This name is bottle, what can ketchup bottle or any kind of bottle. You can make the name of it, and you can play the different text over here. You play, just see this one, how my ad is going to be. Oh, very good. Mart name, and then here's a chocolate name. There's a chocolate name. This is a text ad. This is a text ad you see in the TV shooting ice cream. There is an ice cream ad. So different ads. So subscribe my channel, and in my next video, prepare for my next video. Thanks to all of you. Subscribe my channel. Thank you.